Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you in math function subtraction command how to use in PLC S7-1200. In previous lecture I used this command addition command. Now in this lecture I will use that one. I will use subtraction command. This is the number of this addition command. Now we use this subtraction command. In subtraction command is asking for data. You need data in int or 16-bit or 32-bit. If you use 32-bit data, you can use this dint. I will use this dint data, and here I will use my one MD0, and here I use MD10, and here I use MD20. Subtraction command basically for using for minus data from anything. It means first this addition is plus data, this is for minus data. And minus data how? See, let's we download to the PLC and we check. And make it simulation on, and this I make it monitor and display format goes to decimal. This also go in decimal. Put in decimal. This also I put in decimal. Put in decimal. See, for example, here I put 25 and here I put 10. Oh, sorry. MD20, and I have to be again download to the PLC, because if one time if this is some wrong data right, after this will be not understand. See, here I put 20 and see 37 from 20 minus 17. If I put here 50, for example, that will be in hexa its value going to the 80, but we will use it here in decimal first, and here we put 50. After this will be take the correct give the correct answer. 50 minus 20, this data is 30. And if we put here a little big value, for example 57, we will put it here. What he is doing, he will goes to the minus condition, because he shows here is a greater than this command, this data is greater than of this one, and he will show the data in minus condition. And why it's used in the program, see, for what I will use it here, my 1 less than and equal command. This is my command is greater than, and this is my command of less than command. And if I say if my data is less than MD20, MD20 is less than 0, have to be energized for an output Q0.0. Q0.0, and then again download to the PLC. Click load, make it simulation on, and see now what we put this condition. If this data MD20 is less or less than 0, my Q0.0 have to be goes to on. And for example, I put it here 10, my value goes to 40 because of we use this command less than command. My data register MD20 if less than 0, after my Q0.0 have to be on. This where this data can be used, and somewhere you're using if MD0, for example, MD0 is not, but MD0 is using for 4 to 20 milliohms, or when your signal coming from one analog and there is a not equal data coming, you like to see the value in figures. After this command you can use for measuring and maintaining the data. Any data you can put MD0 or MD10, MD20. See, for example, here value is coming 35, and this is also greater than 0, less than 0. If I put here 100, for example, now your data will be going to minus. That MD20 and that 0, that command comparator will be working in this condition. How much value is coming here and how much value is coming here. After this gives answer at the outside, and in front of you can use that less than and equal commands, and after you can use your output. Anywhere you can use this command in the PLC, and I think so this is the very simple purpose of simple way to use this command. If you not understand anything, you can send me email or message in my comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.